Okay, it's your girl Kia May. So, as y'all know, what today is? New Year's, January the 1st. It's 11:59. I think the point of this video is going to be like, I want to say how I start off the New Year's, but I mean, it's not really nothing going on today. So, it's basically gonna be little snippets and me just having a conversation with y'all, introducing myself. Yeah, but currently, well, I've been having my clothes on, but I mean, it's not too much. But currently, I'm getting ready to head out and go to the gun range. So I'm here at the range. Okay, y'all, right now we're waiting on our lanes. Right there. Look at me telling him how I want to use my gun.
Oh my God.
Officially done here. We're finna get ready to leave. I'm back at home. Okay, so y'all, that was my trip to the gun range. It was fun. It really was fun. I really did get to shoot a lot of stuff. But yeah, that's it for my vlog today. I just want to thank y'all for watching, and you know,
it's a plus for me. She usually be on the scenery, but she go ghost for me. Her brother now be smacking shit.